Lamborghini just killed the V10 and somehow created an even crazier supercar. Meet the all-new 2026 Lamborghini Temerario. What if I told you Lamborghini has just replaced one of the greatest supercars ever built with something even more extreme? Meet the all-new 2026 Lamborghini Temerario. This isn't just another Lamborghini. It's the future of Italian performance, combining breathtaking design, cutting-edge technology, and a revolutionary hybrid powertrain. But is it really better than the legendary Huracán? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice is the aggressive new design. Every line, every vent, and every curve has been engineered for performance. The sharp LED headlights give the front end a futuristic look, while the massive air intakes ensure maximum cooling for the powerful engine hiding behind the driver. Move to the side, and the Temerario looks absolutely stunning. The low stance, sculpted body panels, and aerodynamic wheels make it look like it's slicing through the air even when standing still. Lamborghini has managed to create a car that feels both elegant and brutally aggressive at the same time. At the rear, the design becomes even more dramatic. The hexagonal exhaust outlets, futuristic LED taillights, and large rear diffuser instantly remind you that this machine was built for speed. Every detail serves a purpose, improving airflow and keeping the car stable at high speeds. Step inside, and you're welcomed by one of Lamborghini's most advanced interiors ever. A fully digital driver's display, a large touchscreen, premium materials, and race-inspired seats create a cockpit that feels like a fighter jet. Despite being a supercar, the cabin is surprisingly comfortable and packed with modern technology. Now, let's talk about what makes the Temerario truly special. For the first time, Lamborghini has equipped this car with a brand new twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid powertrain. This incredible setup produces nearly 920 horsepower, making the Temerario one of the most powerful Lamborghinis ever created. Power is delivered instantly, and the acceleration is absolutely breathtaking. The performance figures are nothing short of incredible. The Temerario can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 2.7 seconds, while its top speed exceeds 210 miles per hour. Whether you're launching from a standstill or overtaking on the highway, the response feels immediate and effortless. Handling is another area where Lamborghini has raised the bar. The lightweight chassis, advanced all-wheel drive system, and adaptive suspension work together to provide incredible grip through corners while maintaining confidence at high speeds. It's a supercar that feels just as exciting on a racetrack as it does on an open road. One of the biggest surprises is the sound. Although the legendary V10 is gone, Lamborghini has tuned the new twin-turbo V8 to deliver an aggressive, emotional exhaust note that still captures the brand's unmistakable character. Every throttle input reminds you that this is still a true Lamborghini. Technology also plays a major role. The Temerario features advanced driver displays, multiple driving modes, enhanced aerodynamics, and hybrid technology designed to improve both performance and efficiency. It's proof that Lamborghini is embracing the future without losing its identity. Of course, exclusivity comes at a price. The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario is expected to cost well over $350,000, placing it among the world's most desirable exotic cars. But for buyers looking for the latest technology, incredible speed, and unmistakable Lamborghini styling, it may be worth every dollar. So, is the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario the next great Lamborghini? Based on its breathtaking design, revolutionary hybrid V8, incredible performance, and advanced technology, the answer certainly looks like yes. It successfully honors Lamborghini's heritage while pushing the brand into a bold new era. Now here's the big question. Would you choose the new Lamborghini Temerario over a Ferrari 296 GTB or even a McLaren 750S? Let me know your choice in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on notifications because more amazing Supercar reviews are coming soon on CarScope.